Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick video here. This is for the issue that we have of not taking your carts out, right? Now, the reason why we say don't take the carts out is because we have the damper that's gonna stop your flooding from going back down. So you don't ever need to take these out to clean the inside of the print head because it's not flooding, right? That was the issue that was happening before whenever you don't have our damper on. So it would flood the system. Then, you'd have to take it out every night, do your cleaning, blah, 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 and all that stuff. Right? Now, the one issue that we have is that because we're pulling white ink, I don't know if you can see this, but this is very clear. Right? See how that one has become a lot clearer than this one? Because this has been sitting for a while. I went to Jamaica, came back. I haven't printed, but I've been doing a couple of printhead cleans. I've been busy getting things back in order, so I haven't really been pulling ink through the system. All right? And I haven't done any prints either, but I know my system is good. And once this is locked in, you have no issues. But it just came to my mind the other day. The more that you're pulling through here, you got to remember the ink is going to keep going down and down and down. Because this happened to me the other day where I was pulling ink through and I was getting bubbles in there. Now, the only reason why I was probably getting bubbles is because there's not enough ink in there in this side of the chamber. Yeah, you can see that in that side of the chamber, right? So now I don't have them. It's not pulling air in there because the chambers are filled up. But when you're doing these and you're pulling new ink through, always pull it slow, as slow as you can. All right? So I'm going to try something today. It's the first time I'm doing it. Oh shoot. Always put your caps back on. So I'm going to try something today. It's my first time doing this. So this is for if you pull it through and you're not getting, and there's no more ink in there, or you want to top up your white ink, what you would need to do, give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right. There's a clip. Got my clip. So what I'm doing is I have a Cricut hook or whatever the hell this is for your Cricut. So I'm pulling this plug and the other plug that goes into the cart up at the same time. All right. Oh, I don't need it. because my damper's in there. See, because the damper's in there, no ink is falling through. But my inks are topped up. So what I have is a syringe with the ink. Got this just to be safe. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just topping up the ink. All right. So it's topped up. So this is just in case your ink is non-existent in your carts and you don't want to pull out the whole system. Oh shit, I put the wrong one in the wrong one. Did I put the wrong one? Yeah, I did. All right. This is just in case. So you don't have to take out your carts. All right, because you don't want to take the carts out. You don't want to take the carts out because once this is sealed, once they're sealed, you don't want to screw around with your sealing that you have in there. You never want to take your carts back out. All right. So now I insert my carts, my plugs and everything back in. Make sure that they're nice and snuggy and tight. All right, there we go. Back in. So this is just basically for if you have no more ink in your white carts, that's what you can do to fill them back up. All right. Now you can see the ink flowed back this way. All right. We never want the ink to flow this way because if the ink starts flowing this way, it's going to flood the inside of the top side of your print head and all your, you don't want that plug. You don't want no water touching that or anything. You'll be screwed. So now we gotta fill this back up. Now gotta pull the ink back through. Always remember, pull your ink through slowly. Always remember, whatever ink you're pulling, make sure you only take off that cap for that ink to insert the old ink back in. Because I did it before where I took 2 caps off and I screwed up and I put the black ink into my white ink. And that was hell. So now remember, when you do this, you're going to see some air into your syringe, but it's the air that you're pulling from here going into there that's going to go into the syringe. You're pulling that all the air back out, right? So this is a way that if you don't want to get your, if you don't want to pull this out, you don't want to pull your white cards out to get to to top up your cards, to put more ink in there. This is what you can do. I'm just going over this one more time because there was air in the last syringe. There we go. Pulling out the rest of the ink. Pulling out the rest of the air that's in there. There we go. I don't know if you guys can, no, you guys can't see that. The air right there. Right? See that air? So that's what I'm pulling out of there. Pulling out that air. Put it back. Printhead clean. Now I haven't printed for a while, guys. I just sell the units and I sell the ink and all that stuff. So I should be doing some printing and selling the printing, but I have other things that I'm doing. So don't really want to take up all my time. Plus I got 6 kids, so constantly busy, soccer, sports. All right, so let's do this printhead cleaning, and let's see how everything looks here.